In this video, I will tell you that how you can easily fix if Deepseek AI is not working properly on your phone, if you have an iPhone or an Android as well. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, you'll have to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working properly or it's too slow, you can switch to a data connection. And similarly, if your data connection is not working properly, you can switch to a Wi-Fi connection that is stable. The second thing you can do is to head over to the Google Play Store, or on an iPhone, you can go to App Store. Then you'll have to search for DeepSeek AI, and you'll have to open it. Now, if it says update, you can simply tap on update and your app will be updated to the latest version, which will potentially fix all the bugs and glitches inside the application, and it will improve the performance of the application. And after doing all these things, if you still are, if you're still facing the same problem, your prompts are not being answered or replied by the DeepSeek AI, you can simply head over to the settings of your phone. Then you'll have to head over to the app section, and after that you'll have to tap on DeepSeek AI. Now you'll have to simply head over to storage and cache, and you'll have to tap on clear cache. Then you'll have to tap on clear storage, and after deleting all the storage, you'll have to go to the App Store or Play Store, and you'll have to install the application once again, and log in with the same account, and your problem will be fixed. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.